Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So yesterday it was a bit dramatic action. So if you remember on the weekend we said that, well, it is not quite clear yet, but the performance that we see on euro currency in recent week in fact keeps the door open for a bit deep retracement. Although market keeps the bullish context on the daily chart, we have the bullish trend, but with these potential tweezer tops that have been formed previously, as we discussed, not be surprised if we will see some maybe deep retracement, which actually should not break the overall context. It's just some technical reaction on the current resistance that we have here, because even higher upward action, it stands, well, in general, in a row with the weekly setup, where we're considering probable double repo pattern. And it lets market to actually be rather free in this area, so it could fluctuate in a rather wide range, starting from this level and even up to the previous stops, possible to even some stop grabbing above it to the 111 area. It will not break yet the context that might be formed on the weekly chart. But with this top and with this reaction that we've got on Friday, well, logically we have suggested that maybe it will be some stronger pullback. We'll see what will happen. And once, and it indeed has started right on Monday morning. It was deep, strong downward action. And once I have decided to start searching for something else, maybe to watch for some other patterns and see the reaction in the market, this downside reaction has been reversed very fast. So I just was not in time to decide what to do next. But market immediately, once it has reached the 618 support area, it's one rate. If you remember on the hourly chart we discussed this, that was our previous confidence on the consolidation. I will show you later on hourly chart as well. And we said preferably if market will remains above it. If it will break it down, we will be watch for it. First of all 618 level, and if it will break it also, that might be the signal that we are going to some stronger downside retracement, and we will have to watch for something else. But market just has touched the 618 level and reversed this action in the blink of an eye. So you can see this was just fast return rate back up. And well, this is of course has the bullish potential. And this looks bullish. Besides, the performance usually in such type of the triangles is, obviously shows the weakness of the bears. So at the first touch of this level, bears have pushed price down to the 10720. And the second test, they has pushed it just to the 1790. Now, next push will be probably also lower. This pattern usually has the bullish background, and using it as a, well, some kind of the pattern that we could follow, we suggest that nearest targets around 109.70, 109.90. So this nearest standing targets. First of all, we have the ABCD COP target. It stands right now. Second, well, obviously we have here the butterfly shape, which has the first extension around 109.88. So I think that on these levels we could focus in the nearest few days. On the longer time frame, on the hourly chart, take a look what we have. That was the 618 support of this whole upward action. The market has formed this drop below the consolidation, which was initially looking not really very inspiring for the bulls, but very fast market has changed the direction. In fact, guys, with this type of action, if you just imagine and unite multiple candles in one, you could easily imagine the bullish engulfing pattern. So it's fast drop and fast return it back up. It's easier to do on the falling time frame chart. So just imagine this big and huge bullish engulfing. From that standpoint, we could watch for some minor pullback here, supposedly 108.70, 108.40 area. Let's take a look that the support line stands very close to the 618 support. So you also could use it as some kind of the area where you could hide your stop, or even you could hide your stop below the C point, because bullish market right now should not form any bearish reversal swings. And if this tendency will be broken, market drops below the C, that will change the short-term picture drastically. But until this has not happened, we were considering the bullish context here. And here's also, you could recognize some butterfly. It's minor butterfly here also might be formed with this retracement starting the right wing. So lots of different patterns that you could stick with. Let's see what the next step will be. So right now it would be preferable if we'll get some pullback still to some of these levels. If you're planning to take the long position, would like to buy EUR, you could consider one of these levels for a possible taking position. Speaking about the bearish positions in the current moment, well, I do not see any healthy background for taking the short position. So we need a bit more bearish signs to make the decision. Besides, on the daily charts, take a look. It was rather bullish performance. So market has created the new lows for actually almost for the week, and then returned it back up to the previous top. So this is strong action, and on this background, well, it's not really very comfortable to consider taking any short position.